A UAV, unmanned aerial vehicle, commonly known as a drone, is an aircraft that operates without a human pilot on board. It can be remotely controlled by a human operator or autonomously guided by onboard systems that use various sensors and GPS navigation. UAVs come in various sizes and designs, from small hobbyist drones to large military-grade aircraft. They are widely used in various fields such as military, for reconnaissance, surveillance, and targeted missions. Civilian and commercial use, including aerial photography, agriculture, delivery services, mapping, and infrastructure inspection. Environmental monitoring, to track wildlife, monitor climate change, or assess natural disasters. UAVs are equipped with technologies like cameras, sensors, and communication systems, allowing them to collect data, capture images or videos, and even carry payloads. They have transformed many industries by providing cost-effective and flexible solutions for complex tasks that were previously challenging or dangerous.